The warmth and hospitality extended by the Chinese government, the Chinese leadership, have been a true reflection of the strong bond and shared commitment to progress between our nations. I would like to pay my homage to President Xi for his extraordinary vision. I've had the privilege of engaging with the Chinese leadership and also with the business executives of some of the most innovative companies. The Punjab Investment Conference is set to be a major milestone. Punjab's strategic locations, skilled workforce, and new policy reforms make it an ideal place for global businesses to thrive and succeed. China's remarkable success in combating air pollution is a global model for environmental management. We reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to promoting high-quality development under CPEC 2.0 with a particular focus on renewable energy projects to build a China-Pakistan green corridor. Government of Punjab is committed to fostering partnerships with China in environmental policy formulation, adoption of clean technologies, and the execution of green initiatives. We have met with companies that are looking to invest in the modernization of our agriculture sector. In healthcare, the visit has led to possible partnerships that will bring advanced medical technologies to Pakistan. These innovations will improve cancer treatment and healthcare services, making Punjab a leader in medical progress. Observing modern practices in Chinese hospitals has further reinforced my commitment to upgrading Punjab's healthcare system business processes and making quality care accessible to more people at a cheaper cost. Renewable energy remains a top priority for us. Plans to establish a solar panel manufacturing plant in Punjab will reduce reliance on traditional energy sources and provide sustainable energy options, especially for rural communities. And by working with Chinese partners, we are advancing our efforts to make clean energy more affordable and accessible, because that is the way forward. In conclusion, I extend my sincere gratitude to the government and people of China for their generosity, for their hospitality, and for their support. We remain committed to using these alliances to improve the lives of our people and build a better future.